Hi, it's Glenda, and today what I have, it's a gift that I got from Aroma Delight Beauty Care Products. It was actually like, oh, that's nice, a prize. I won something. I was so excited for becoming a subscriber. So it looks like it's a box. Oh, this is a nice box. It looks like it's the kind of box that I'll be able to reuse to keep stuff. So let me get that out of the way. So let's see. Oh wow. Cute little cupcakes, and it's very well packaged. Oh my gosh. Wow. Look at all this. These are bath bombs, I suppose. Yeah, unicorn bath bomb. And I'm very curious to try this one because I just started making bath bombs myself, and I'm not really sure how they're supposed to work. My only experience with bath bombs, oh, this is a really nice one. Looks like a face. It says cherry blooms scent. Let me smell this one. Maybe not. Alright, so I just finished unwrapping this one. This is another bath bomb, and it's so cute. It's like a mermaid tail. It smells very good. It's supposed to be Japanese cherry. So I'm very curious to try them, because the bath bombs that I have experiences with are just the ones from like Ross or Marshall's. And let's see, what is this? Sea salt and Epsom salt for food soaking. And that's hand and body lotion. Body butter. And what is this? A bubble bath dough. Oh, interesting. So I'm probably, when I do use them, I'm going to take a video and compare them to how mine perform, because the ones that I do have, that I've made, I'm not sure if they work the way they're supposed to work. Because like I said, I've only tried the ones from Ross and stuff, and those are usually not, they're old, so they're not as good. But it's, oh, there's also a soap, pumpkin pie spice soap, which smells nice. I can get a hint of it from the wrapping. But thank you so much, Aroma Delight and Beauty Care. I love all of this, and I'm looking forward to using it. Hi, so I thought I'll show you, I'm doing a test of, these are my bath bombs, the ones I made, and they're just wrapped in saran wrap. I'm not making them for sale, I'm just making them for myself. And I don't have much experience using bath bombs, so I was delighted when I got this ones from her. And this one is so cute. Look, it's got gold mica in 2 different colors. So I'm gonna put the 2 that I made to try them on one side of the tub and hers on the other. So we'll see which ones. And I picked 2 so that it sort of matches the size of hers. Alright, I got them out of the wrapper, and it actually smells really nice. I don't know what fragrance it is. Let's see. Oh, rainbow sherbet scent. I like how that smells. And I see that she also has buttermilk and kernel oil, apricot kernel oil, kaolin clay on hers. Mine doesn't have all that. I think I put sweet almond oil, and I put essential oils on mine, but I don't think I can smell them that well. It's definitely softer. So here we go. I'm gonna put mine on this side, and I see some fizziness. It's really hard to tell in this light. And I'm gonna put hers on this side. Oh wow, you can tell that one, it's floating out to the surface, it's coming out and you can see all the colors, versus mine, it's all I don't think even the camera can focus, but let me tell you, it's a big difference. I need to learn how to make bath bombs like that. Wow, that's really cool. Alright, I think we can tell the difference between first time bath bombs and good quality bath bombs. Very cool. I look forward to taking this bath. So, thank you, Aroma Delights. I'm going to enjoy all of these bath bombs. Guess what? It finished fizzing, and it seems there is a surprise on the side, which I didn't know. I wasn't expecting it. Ah, it's a little ring. How cute. That is a pretty ring. What's interesting is that hers floated, and mine, they just stay at the bottom. And they're still fizzing, but they're just at the bottom of the bath. Hers is almost done, but it was nice that it floated and stayed on top. And I like how the colors look there. Anyway, not for sure. I'm gone. Bye.